Welcome to my class Introduction. Class Standard 9, Subject Mathematics, Chapter name Algebraic Expressions, Exercise 3.3, Lecture 1. Today's lesson, resolve into factors. Exercise 3.3, resolve into factors. One number math, here given ab into x minus y minus bc into x minus y. Solution, this is a given condition. This equal to, we can write x minus y into ab minus bc, because here is x minus 1 and here also x minus 1 y. So x minus y is common. As a result, here will be AB and here minus BC. Again, we can take common here B. So this equal to, we can write x minus y into B into A minus C. And this equal to, finally we can write B into x minus y into A minus C. This is the required answer. Clear, student? Question number 3, a to the power 4 minus 27a square plus 1. This is a given condition. This equal to, we can write a to the power 4 mean a square whole square minus 2 into a mean a square into b mean 1 plus b square. That's mean a square minus 2ab plus b square. 1 square mean 1. After multiplying this, we will get only 2a square, but here is given 27a square. So we have to subtract 25a square. As a result, minus 25a square minus 2a square. This is equal to minus 27a square. Okay, that's mean this equal to, we can write this. But this makes a formula a minus b whole square. A mean a square, b mean 1. So a square minus 1 whole square, and this equal to, we can write 5a whole square. As a result, this equal to, we can write now a plus b into a minus b, because here is a square minus b square. A square minus b square mean a plus b into a minus b. Here a mean a square minus 1 and b mean 5a. So this equal to, we can write this a plus b into a minus b. Now write in arrange. Here will be a square plus 5a minus 1 into a square minus 5a minus 1. This is required answer. Clear? Okay. Question number 5. A square minus b square into x square minus y square plus 4abxy. Solution, this is a given condition. This equal to, we can write a square x square minus a square y square minus b square x square plus b square y square plus 4abxy. Now this equal to, we can write a square x square plus 2abxy plus b square y square minus a square y square plus 2abxy. As a result, 2abxy plus 2abxy, this equal to 4abxy. So 4abxy, this equal to, we can write this and this, no problem. And another term minus b square x square. Here minus b square x square. Now this equal to, we can write in this form. Here this equal to, we can write x whole square plus 2 into ax into by plus by whole square minus ay whole square minus, as we have taken here minus common, so here will be minus 2 into ay into bx plus bx whole square. Now this equal to, we can write ax plus by whole square minus ay minus bx whole square. That's mean a square minus b square. So this equal to, we can write a plus b into a minus b. A mean ax plus by and b mean ay minus bx. Like this way we can write here ax plus by minus ay minus bx. Now omitting bracket will get ax plus by plus ay minus bx, and here ax plus by minus ay plus bx. This is the required answer. Clear, student? Okay. Now 7 number, a square plus 6a plus 8 minus y square plus 2y. Solution, this is a given condition, and this equal to, we can write a square plus 6a plus 9 for making formula. Here minus y square, here plus 2a, but as here is plus 8, but we have taken here plus 9, so we have to subtract 1 from this. As a result, plus 9 minus 1, this equal to plus 8. Clear? Now this equal to, we can write a square plus 2 into a into b, b means 3, and 2 into 3 means 6, so this equal to 6a plus 3 means 3 square minus y square minus 2 into y into 1 plus 1 whole square. This makes a formula a plus 3 whole square, and here y minus 1 whole square. That's mean this equal to, we can write a plus 3 whole square minus y minus 1 whole square. Okay, again a square minus b square, formula will be a plus b into a minus b. Here a mean a plus 3 and b mean y minus 1. So this plus this into this minus this. Now calculate, we'll get a plus 3 plus y minus 1 into a plus 3 minus y plus 1. Now calculate, we'll get a plus y plus 2, here a minus y plus 4, because 3 plus 1 means 4. This is the required answer. Clear? Very easy, because that type of math we had already solved in class 8. Okay. 9 number, resolve into factors. Here middle factors, that's mean middle term will break. Here x square plus 13x plus 36. Okay, so after multiplying this and this, result will be 36x square. Now we will break middle term, that's mean plus 13. As a result, after adding we'll get plus 13x, and after multiplying we'll get 36x square. That's mean first term and last term fixed. Here will be 9x plus 4x. 9x plus 4x mean 13x, and 9x into 4x mean 36x square. So middle factor here is correct. Now we can take common. Here is common x, so here will be x plus 9, and here is common 4, so here will be x plus 9. Now this equal to, you can write x plus 9 into x plus 4. This is the required answer. Very easy. Okay, and from 10 up to 15 all are same, that's mean all are middle factor. Again I will show another math. Here 15 number, 4x to the power 4 minus 27x square minus 81. Solution, this is a given condition, and after multiplying this and this will get minus 324x to the power 4. Now we'll break this. As a result, after adding we'll get this, and after multiplying we'll get this. Okay, now follow. Here 4x to the power 4, and here minus 36x square plus 9x square. Minus 36x square plus 9x square mean minus 27x square, and after multiplying this and this we'll get this, and here will be minus 81. Now we can take common 4x square. As a result, here will be x square, and here will be 9, and here is common plus 9, here will be x square minus 9. So this equal to, we can write x square minus 9 into 4x square plus 9. But this equal to, we can write in this form, that's mean a square minus b square, and this part fixed. And this equal to, we can write a plus b into a minus b, that's mean x plus 3 into x minus 3, that's mean this, and this part fixed. This is the required answer. Very easy. Okay, just 1 up to 15 Okay, remaining math you will do. That's my homework. One after 15 left all. Okay, very easy math. Just you will give time. And date of submission 29/6/2021. Time 11 a.m. So today up to this, thank you to all everyone.